guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe is another muffin. Another day, another muffins. For today's recipe, it is cocoa raisin muffin. Check out the full video. That's it again. Bye. This is 1 3/4 cups of flour with half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, quarter cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of raisins. We're just gonna mix this and set to side while we prepare the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, this is 1 cup of whole milk with 2 whole eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I mixed it in food processor and then just put it into the dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix this until just combine. Now we're gonna put it per half cup to 3/4 cup to greased muffin pan. This is using melted butter like so, and top it with chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet. You can use dark or sweet, it's up to you. Now we're gonna bake this for 18 to 20 minutes on preheated 400 Fahrenheit depending on your oven.